Hey, Frugal fam! Welcome back to Whimsy Tricks, where we explore smart strategies for living our best lives without burning a hole in our wallets. Today's topic is a game changer. We're talking about how to maintain a frugal lifestyle while keeping your prepped foods ready for emergencies. Because let's face it, life can throw curveballs. But we're here to be prepared without breaking the bank. I'm Rita Santa, and let's dive into these practical tips. Strategic meal planning for emergencies. The foundation of maintaining a frugal lifestyle during emergencies is strategic meal planning. By planning ahead, you can ensure that your emergency prepped foods are both cost-effective and nutritious. Let's break down how to create a meal plan that covers your bases without draining your wallet. Budget-friendly emergency staples. Now, let's talk about building a frugal emergency pantry. We'll explore budget-friendly staples that have a long shelf life and can be the heroes of your emergency meals. From canned goods to pantry staples, we've got you covered with items that won't break the bank. Freezer meals. One of my favorite frugal hacks is DIY freezer meals. We'll discuss how to batch cook and freeze meals that are not only convenient for emergencies, but also save you money in the long run. It's like having your own homemade, emergency fast food, ready to go. Thrifty shopping for emergency supplies. Let's be smart shoppers. In this chapter, we'll explore thrifty ways to stock up on emergency supplies. From taking advantage of sales and discounts to buying in bulk, I'll share my top tips for getting the most bang for your buck when prepping for unforeseen events. Repurposing leftovers. Frugal living is all about minimizing waste, and that includes leftovers. We'll discuss creative ways to repurpose leftovers into delicious and budget-friendly emergency meals. Say goodbye to food waste and hello to tasty and economical solutions. Interactive break. Before we continue, I want to hear from you. Drop your favorite frugal emergency prep tip in the comments below. Let's create a community of savvy preppers sharing their insights. Your tips might just be what someone needs for their emergency prep strategy. Rotating stock and expiry management. Keeping a frugal emergency pantry requires a bit of maintenance. We'll talk about the importance of rotating stock and managing expiry dates to ensure your prepped foods are always fresh and ready when you need them. No one likes a can of mystery soup. Community resources and sharing. Frugal living isn't just about individual efforts, it's about community too. We'll explore how pooling resources with neighbors, friends, or community groups can enhance your emergency prep strategy without putting a strain on your budget. Emergency kit on a budget. Let's put together a DIY emergency kit without breaking the bank. From first aid essentials to non-perishable snacks, we'll cover the basics you need to have on hand for unexpected situations. It's all about being prepared without overspending. There you have it, Frugal friends. A comprehensive guide on maintaining a frugal lifestyle while prepping for emergencies. I hope you found these tips practical and inspiring. Dehydrated snacks. Dive into the world of DIY dehydrated snacks. Whether it's fruits, vegetables, or even jerky, dehydrating food is a cost-effective way to create lightweight, shelf-stable snacks for your emergency stash. Plus, it's a fun and creative process you can do at home. Utilizing coupons and discounts. Don't underestimate the power of coupons and discounts. Keep an eye out for sales, use coupons strategically, and explore loyalty programs offered by your local grocery stores. This can significantly reduce the cost of your emergency prep supplies, making frugal living even more achievable. Emergency water storage. Water is a crucial part of emergency preparedness. Instead of buying expensive pre-packaged water, consider creating your own DIY emergency water storage. Clean and repurpose containers, and start building your water reserve gradually. It's a cost-effective and sustainable solution. Seasonal produce and farmers markets. Take advantage of seasonal produce and farmers markets. Not only does buying seasonal fruits and vegetables save you money, but it also allows you to stock up on fresh, nutritious items for your emergency stash. Preserve these goodies for the long term through freezing or canning. Reusable storage containers. Invest in reusable storage containers. Instead of relying on disposable packaging, Opt for durable, reusable containers for your emergency prepped foods. This not only reduces waste but also provides a more sustainable and cost-effective solution in the long run. D. Hygiene and sanitation supplies. Emergency preparedness goes beyond just food. Explore DIY solutions for hygiene and sanitation supplies. From making your own hand sanitizer to creating reusable hygiene kits. These hacks can keep you prepared without the need for expensive pre-packaged items. Interactive break. Now, it's your turn. Share your favorite frugal emergency prep tip in the comments below. Let's keep this conversation going and build a community of resourceful preppers supporting each other. Emergency meal rotation challenges. Keep things interesting by embracing emergency meal rotation challenges. Challenge yourself to cook a meal using only your emergency prep supplies. This not only ensures that your food doesn't go to waste but also hones your creativity in the kitchen. D. Emergency plan. Create a DIY emergency plan for your family. Discuss and document what to do in case of emergencies, including where your emergency supplies are stored. This not only ensures everyone is on the same page but also prevents unnecessary panic buying in stressful situations. There you have it. A treasure trove of tips to maintain a frugal lifestyle while keeping your prepped foods ready for emergencies. D. Cleaning supplies. Extend your frugal living to cleaning supplies. Create your own DIY cleaning solutions using basic household ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon. This not only saves money but also ensures you have essential cleaning supplies on hand during emergencies without relying on store-bought products. Sustainable gardening for fresh produce. Consider sustainable gardening as part of your emergency preparedness plan. Growing your own fruits and vegetables not only promotes a healthier lifestyle but also provides a sustainable source of fresh produce. It's a cost-effective way to supplement your emergency food supply over time. Regularly review and update supplies. Keep your emergency supplies up to date by regularly reviewing and updating them. Check expiration dates, rotate items, and replace anything that may have been used or deteriorated. This ensures that your emergency stash remains reliable when you need it the most. Learn basic culinary skills. Equip yourself with basic culinary skills. Learning how to cook simple meals from scratch not only enhances your frugal living, but also ensures you can make the most out of your emergency food supplies. Invest time in mastering a few versatile recipes that use pantry staples. Financial preparedness. Expand your emergency preparedness to include financial readiness. Build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses, so you're not caught off guard. Having a financial safety net can alleviate stress during emergencies and help you maintain your frugal lifestyle. Utilize community resources. Tap into community resources during emergencies. Local food banks, community gardens, and shared resources can be valuable assets. By participating in community initiatives, you not only support your neighbors but also strengthen the overall resilience of your community. Interactive break. Before we wrap up, share with the community how you integrate frugal living with your emergency preparedness. What unique tips do you have? Drop your insights in the comments below, and let's continue this conversation. D. Emergency lighting solutions. Explore DIY emergency lighting solutions. From solar-powered lamps to homemade candles, having alternative lighting sources can be both practical and budget-friendly. This ensures you're not solely reliant on conventional electricity during emergencies. Practice mindful consumption. Practice mindful consumption as part of your frugal lifestyle. Be intentional about what you purchase and consume regularly. This not only saves money but also ensures that your emergency supplies are focused on necessities rather than excess. Participate in community workshops. He who will not economize will agonize. Engage with your local community by participating in workshops on frugal living and emergency preparedness. Sharing knowledge and experiences with neighbors can lead to discovering new tips and resources that align with your frugal lifestyle. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on maintaining a frugal lifestyle while preparing for emergencies. If you found these additional tips helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe for more content on living a savvy and prepared life.